confess to you, and I've been searching for someone like you, and I've been searching for someone like you, or someone like you. The flowers of Heidelberg send my love to you. All my tears and longing to give my all to you. I'll give my all to Leonora, she's from Philippines at nakakapagtaka, but she's the finest girl in the prettiest country, and I'm missing them slowly, want to go back right now. So may the flowers of send my love to you. All my tears, all my longing too. And I'm back to my country. I see tears, Leonora's out of sight. The sky is dim, I am imprisoned, freedom taken, but this is my country. My life's all I can pay. May the flowers of Heidelberg